Good morning and welcome back on this Thursday. Here's what you can expect with this snowstorm, this winter storm that impacts our area mainly on Sunday. So the start time, though, is Saturday night. I'm talking late 9, 10, 11 o'clock. The most snow falls Sunday morning through the midday hours. And we're talking about a significant snow, especially for the D.C. metro area, north and west, with 6 to 12 inches in the forecast. Now, southern Maryland, we could see some sleet, a small chance for some freezing rain, but really a concern for some sleet, which would cut down on your snowfall totals. So we're keeping a close eye on the sleet snow line. Even here in the D.C. metro area, it does look like we're going to see snow switching over to a period of sleet sometime later in the day on Sunday. And that will, again, keep our snowfall totals down into that 6 to 12 inch range versus if this was all snow, we would be talking about snowfall totals potentially approaching 2 feet. But again, it looks like in general, we pick up 6 to 12 inches of snow. You add sleet on top of that, and that creates really treacherous road conditions. 48 degrees is the temperature right now. Breezy winds, putting a wind chill out there of 44, but really a nice day. If you have time this afternoon, get out, take the dog for a long walk. Running some errands, absolutely no issues. This is the best day out of the work week. Tomorrow, not terrible, but we will be cooler. High temperatures in the mid 40s. We start off right at freezing at 8 a.m. So taking the kids to school, it's definitely cold, but it's not frigid. It's not Arctic like it's going to be all of next week. We will have clouds increasing throughout the day, breezy winds throughout the day, especially during the second half of your Friday. Now, looking at the snowfall and ice outlook for Sunday. So back in our western and mountain zones, this is looking like an all snow event where you pick up around 12 inches or more of snow. Here in the D.C. metro area, the I-95 corridor, we're talking about snow and a likelihood, a pretty good likelihood now for some sleet mixing in. That brings our snowfall totals to about 6 to 7 to around 10 inches of snow and then some sleet on top of that. Now down in southern Maryland, we're talking about snow and sleet mixing in together. This is going to cut down on snowfall totals around 6 inches in southern Maryland. We're also going to be on the lookout for a small chance for some freezing rain in southern Maryland. That's something Doug and I will refine this afternoon as we continue to get new models coming in. The road outlook, though, does not change. Saturday, no issues. Sunday, we're talking about snow-covered roads. Monday, main roads will be okay by the midday hours. The interstates are going to be just fine, but those side roads, secondary roads, and neighborhood roads will be a mess Monday on into Tuesday, and then we'll start to see improvements by Wednesday. But look at our temperatures. Monday, a high of 25, 27 on Tuesday. Wednesday, we're still below freezing at 31. We're back in the 20s, Amy, Thursday and Friday. So the snow that falls sticks around for quite some time.
Not melting.
I know. And then you look at the afternoon highs. That's one thing. Look at the morning lows. We are in the teens, some single digits in the suburbs.
Woo.
Yeah.
You were saying that you think this snow could still be on the ground when the Olympics kick off.
I do. I was actually saw Jumi
about.
in the newsroom this morning. She was talking about getting ready for the Olympics. I'm like, yeah, it's going to be on the ground when you leave. Hopefully
maybe when she comes back
melted. Hopefully it's melted by then, or we have problems.
And you were saying you think it'll be like a 3 shoveling type of situation.
I
like
think that's what you should plan on, so you can kind of get it tackled inch by inch rather than a foot.
All right. Good to know, Amelia Draper. Thank you so much.
Of course.